Yo, it's your boy Vanilla Sprinkle.
And Michael, fuck your girl on a motorcycle. If you take this rap seriously, you're more of a joke than Malik. Let's get it.
Simple intro, Vanilla Sprinkle. I beat your girl like a car to a seagull. Malik, you ain't awesome, you ain't the Miz. You're dumbass niggas. I can't pass a grade 2 math quiz. I hate your dog, Michael Vick. Why is she your girl sneaking around like a fucking spick, even after she gave me a lick? Now here's a trick. I'm gonna beat you up in a week, then your girl's gonna catch a treat. I can't wait till your face meets my 12 size feet, just like Vanderlei to Kong Lee. Your hair isn't cool, it's just dirtier than the washrooms at school. Now you're a fool to think that I didn't fuck your girl in the pool. Your girl sucked my dick, then gave it a lick. I thought you told me she was gonna quit. She told me she was done with your 2-inch stick. I banged your girl in the first day. Your girl told me I didn't have to pay. Just face it, your girl sucked my dick last night at your crib. Why did she even bring a fucking bib? Now I'm up here hanging in this tree, hanging with the bees, teaching them how to survive in 100 degrees. Your girl's a tease even after I told her to get off her knees. She even said please.
She did say please, ran that train. Nice. Alright, let's get it. Simple intro, my name is Michael. I'm wheeling 3 bitches, yeah, I call that a tricycle. Your girl says you have a small weenie. That's why I made the pussy loose like Fran's beanie. I fucked it 3 times, it was her wishes to the genie. You're the game's biggest joke, like Brian Scalabrine. Malik, you smoking grass, I'll smoke a fucking farm. I slammed your girl in a big red barn. What? Got your girl sound like a fire alarm. I kill cats, so I only do the pussy harm. Yeah, whatever, I talk shit. Got a lot of gas in my mouth, so when I spit, it's only fire. I get higher, I'm your girl's desire. You're overrated like James Reimer. Beat the beat up, white boy and Filipino. Shit's tight like jeans on a Gino. I'm goofy like Teflon doing the cat daddy, bitch. I'm the Mac daddy, your girl can catch it if she really wants it that badly. Cause I can make you my bitch, my slave, my feast, Malik. Your lines are weak, give your raps 8 legs and they still can't stand on their own feet. Kobe and Shaq versus back to back. What's Malik on a track? Just a nigger waiting to get hit by the train. He gets hit by dick, so he's familiar with pain. Line's wet, but there really's no rain. Your girl has you on a ball and chain. Shit, we ended your career in 3 minutes. We call that Kane. Velasquez, the real shit, get a life. Your high school girlfriend won't be your wife. Bill up with your boys and fuck the sex toys. Real shit, but we're not rappers.
That was our first rap. Now give it up and clap and download this app.